On the 23rd of October in the year 2021, I visited my hometown, ENUGU A in Oji River local government area, ENUGU State. For the first time in 23 years, I stepped my feet on my fatherland. As I packed my bags, I didn't know whether I should be happy or sad. My emotions were sitting on the fence. I am happy I documented this day though, and I am also glad to share this moment with you. Welcome. Hey people, what's poppin'? Kilon shele, ogina name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So, you guys, I don't know where to start this video from. I don't even know what to say in this intro. Anyways, I know all of you or most of you think I am from Imo State, and I've actually said it in few videos that I'm from Imo State, because I actually usually say that because my village in Olu, that's Osu. My village in Osu is the place I've always visited all my life. That's the village I always go to. That's the village I always call village and everything. And I've actually never visited my dad's village that is in ENUGU State, Oji River, ENUGU A. I'm actually Ada Enugu, Ada 042. As if people call it. Yes, I'm actually an Ada 042. Yeah, so I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. To be honest, I'm actually smiling in front of this camera, but in reality, I'm just blank. I'm not excited. I'm not sad. I'm not happy. I'm not angry. I'm just there. I just want to go there. Yeah, so we are actually going because tomorrow is Uchechi's trad. Yeah, Uche, my sister, tomorrow is her trad. They are going to be paying her bride price tomorrow. It's going to be a low-key trad, so that's why we're going to Enugu now. I don't know whether I'll post this one before I post her trad video or post her trad preparations. I don't know. Anyways, this video is going to be during the period when I'm posting her trad videos. That is when I'm going to be putting out this video. So Kaijebe Enugu. Yeah, we're on our way to Enugu now. I've already packed my bags. I will be leaving the house now. Yeah, I'll be leaving the house now. So I just want you guys to come along with me on this experience. I'm just documenting this. Yeah, it's actually good I'm a YouTuber. At least I'm documenting the first day that I'll be visiting my father's village. Yeah, and seeing my father's people. Anyways, without further ado, let's dive right into the journey. I'll be into the video. Anyone? So we got to Trackers Park at Warehouse Owerri at this point, and we boarded a Sienna heading to Oka. On the way, I decided to buy this digestive, and I got bottled water because I had not yet taken breakfast. And we stopped at the filling station to get some fuel. I so much hate when buses stop at filling stations, but what can we do? Yeah, and this is Imo State. We're traveling through Imo State at this point, and I saw this house. I was like, wow, how will someone build all these mansions? Because this place is like an estate in the middle of this place. And it was when we were coming back from ENUGU State that I later found out that that place is Rocha's house in the village. Rocha's, the former governor of Imo State, that's his house in the village. Yeah. So at this point, as usual, that's the new trend now. We had to come down at the boundary between Imo State and Anambra State and walk into Anambra State. Please, if you are here and you know anything about this thing, please, what does it mean? What's the significance? Because I still wonder. Anyways, you guys can see the signpost here that says welcome to Anambra State. So you guys, we're currently at Trackers Park, Ekulobia. I'm sitting down somewhere. I'm at the park. If you can hear any noise, please ignore the mess that my hair is. You know, it's a journey, and breeze just blow the hair anyhow. Anyways, we're supposed to go to Oka, but they said we should go from Ekulobia, that Ekulobia is closer and better, that the roads that connect Ekulobia to ENUGU State, they are better. So Uche went to get a shuttle, because they said we should get a shuttle that will take us to a certain place. Is it Okuma? Ufuma. That we should get a shuttle that will take us to Ufuma Junction. So Uche went to get a shuttle that will be able to take us to Ufuma Junction. So we're currently here waiting for her. When she comes back, we'll be on our way to Ufuma Junction, and just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So guys, Uche is back and we'll be going. I think it's going to be taking us to my village, Gongon. Uche, free how? Yeah, so Uche is looking for a pouch for her friend's phone. Her friend, calm down, oh Jesus. So we left Ekulobia and we passed through Oko, the town where the popular polytechnic, Federal Polytechnic Oko, is located. I never knew we would pass through Oko on our way to Enugu. Yeah, we passed through Oko, and at this point we were at a village called Ndikelion. I don't know if I pronounced it very well. If I murdered it, please forgive me. They have a lot of rice farms in Ndikelion, like so many rice farms. I think the rice farms even extend to Ufuma. The lands around here are blessed, and it was on this journey I kind of realized that my dad's village, that's my village, is kind of very close to Anambra. Like the distinction between my father's village and Ufuma in Anambra is just very little. Like it's someone that knows road very well that would know that Ufuma is different.
Obinagu.
Yeah.
Going straight.
Okay.
Center.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And yeah, at this point you can see a signboard showing that this road leads to Akpu, and this particular place is still Ufuma. So for a signboard leading to Akpu to be in Ufuma, you should already know that the two towns are connected. And at this point we passed this river, this bridge, and it just reminded me of my mom's village. There's this river called Urasi in my mom's village, and it's on the border between my mom's village and Ezinifte Nnewi, Anambra. It's funny, my dad's village is linked to Anambra, my mom's village is linked to Anambra too. Yeah, and at this point we arrived at Bugeze. So they call this place Center. It's the market square in my village. They sell a lot of things here. In the morning, if you come here, you see people who sell okpa and all of that. And we asked for direction at this point, and they directed us to a particular place. And when we got there, we were confused again, and we had to stop to ask for direction again.
Okay, about our stress. About our yeah, now this is continue. Thank you.
You guys, so we're in my father's house now. I'm actually bringing down my voice a bit because I don't want to create a scene. I'm shy. I don't know why I'm shy, but we're actually here. Oh my god, these little kids, they have already come. Little kids that we met on our way here, they are here. Let me turn my camera around. That's your name here. Yeah, which is, we have new friends, so. Now, no, very good. Say, mbanu. I hear nile Diego. Wow, so this is the back of my father's house. Wow, I actually like this place because it's so motorable. There are no hills. So let me go back inside before I walk and pass. I'm gonna cause wahala. Let me go back. So you guys were welcomed with a huge and delicious plate of Enugu abacha made with ogiri. Oh my god, you guys, this thing was heavenly. And they now served us with this udi palm wine. Hey! Hey, oh my God. I have drank palm wine in my life, but I've never drank palm wine as good as this. Hey, Udi palm wine is the best. It is the best. Like, no cap, no argument, and that's on period. So I'm done eating now, and we'll soon be going to our family house because this one is my dad's house. So we'll soon be going to that Obi. So I'll just be carrying you guys along. Yeah. Yeah, so we are here.
This is our family house.
So this is Papa's house.
How are you?
Okay. But that why these people demarcate it?
No, all of them they were buried here. Both Mobe, Machedu, my mother, our grandmother, all of them, my mother.
Yeah, graveyard.
Our graveyard. The graveyard. Yeah, they buried all of them.
That's the song.
This life, eh?
Now, wow.
You be a mechank, yalla.
Yes. All of them they are lying here. I bet you will see all of you now.
Their souls rest in perfect peace.
So at this point we got to our family house, and my father brought out some cola with some drink, and he broke the cola, and he did some things like greeting the forefathers that were there before, telling them that we have come, all those kind of things. I don't understand. If you understand that tradition, do let me know in the comment section. And after that, we greeted some of our family members who were still living there. We looked around, we had some good fun, and we headed back to my father's house. Look at this abaya. You see, just match the line, not do it way. And now you start again.
I should do it again. Their line is very small.
It's because they are small now. Remember when I did this in Abuja with Auntie Joma's children? Oh, be Chikro, do you watch that video? Now look at Auntie, I want to do, can I see? This is some corn. Fresh corn. Cassava.
Okay.
Is it the corn? It's really fresh actually.
Oh God. Jesus. Even okra.
This is
As for no one aside the Hannah commercial quantity.
Is it tangerine? Orange?
Yes.
Okay. Small, you know village orange used to be small, very sweet. Yes. Guys, good evening. I've taken my bath. I'm relaxed. It's already late in the evening, maybe around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. We're charging our devices. I'm supposed to be editing a vlog like a trip to Port Harcourt and all of that, but I'm so weak and tired, and I'm honestly not in the mood. But let me plug my phone. Maybe when it's done I can edit the video. Anyways, this is me closing this vlog right here because I'm starting fun vlogs tomorrow. I should get like 2 or 3 vlogs tomorrow, you understand? Yeah, so I just decided to come and close this beautiful vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you have to subscribe. There's a lot of amazing content coming up this period, so you just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site in Waterloo, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. For now, bye, kiss. Love you.